morning and welcome back. This is FM Show KE. So, as of today, there is the drama festival that have been taking on at the Nakuru County, where Butere girls were set to perform their play, which was scripted and written by the second senator of Kakamega, Cleophas Malala. So, today they have not been allowed to perform the play because the president sent officers there who have tear gas children and thrown them out of there. So, second Kakamega Senator Cleophas Malala lamented being alleged arrested by over 50 police officers in Nakuru. The politician cited his role in the controversial Butere Girls High School play doubled echoes of war. As the genesis of his new walls, Malala is the playwright behind the performance staged by the Butere Girls High School Drama Club that propelled them to the nationals. The play had been struck out but later reinstated. Former Kakamega Senator Cleophas Malala has described alleged harassment by people believed to be state security officers. The politician published a video in which he was lashing out at the said officers for trying to apprehend him of a controversial play he scripted for Butere Girls High School. In one of the clips on his Facebook page, Malala is fiercely complaining about being roughed up over an ordinary school play. It has come to a point where you are coming to me of a play. You are arresting me for just writing a play. What offense have I committed? Tell me what mistake I've committed. You are being used to harass someone whose mistake is writing a play, or what is the other offense I have committed? He posted. The scene occurred outside the Kiborona Girls High School, which played host to the Butere Girls students after their arrival on Wednesday evening ahead of the fete. This year's edition of the Kenya National Drama and Films Festivals would be held at Lions School, Menengai High School, and Melvin Jones School. Malala was blocked from accessing the schools where he was to guide the Butere Girls Drama Club in the rehearsals ahead of their presentation on Thursday, April 10. He was intercepted by a contingent of armed police officers, both in uniform and plain clothes. He accused the lead investigator of trying to flout a court order which authorized the play to continue. How Malala faced off with Nakuru police. Malala, armed with the High Court order, refused to leave the scene, with the officer saying he had been summoned prior. He also lamented that by being denied entry to the Kiboron Girls School, the dramatists from Butere Girls were being denied their right to nurture their talent like other participants in the drama festivals. I am just implementing a court order. I can't go. Where are the summons? Are you arresting me for scripting a play? You are denying the children their right. That is unfair. Other schools are being allowed to train. Why are you denying Butere girls their right? They came here and have since been blocked inside like prisoners. They can't access their playwright yet. They are going on stage tomorrow morning. Yet the court directed that they be prepared, Malala said. As it were, Malala linked the officer's actions with the President William Ruto, who he accused of going after him for political reasons. The former lawmaker wanted to continue with his playwright fought and dispute the supposed mazing attempt by the state. He claimed meddling by Ruto's family in the drama festivals. Tell him, Ruto, that he won't censor me. The Constitution provides for it. He can't intimidate me, and I won't be told what to think, and I will write what I want. Tell the first family to stop interfering with young kids nurturing their talent. They should stop it, he stated. Echoes of War was excluded from the Kenya National Drama and Films Festival due to its content. It explored themes surrounding by youth struggles with civil liberties such as social justice and governance matters. The play was controversially removed from the Western Region Gala, alleged due to pressure from powerful government officials who demanded its ban for unnamed reasons. The decision started a widespread outrage, leading to its reinstatement. Basic Education Julius Bitok confirmed that the play would now be showcased at the national event setting that earlier concerns with which occasioned the ban had been unrest. So, Mr. President, Mr. President William Ruto, why can't you allow these young girls to come and showcase their talent? They are just small school children trying to nurture their talent. Let them play the script. Why are you against that script? Or is it the title? Or are you against the person who wrote the play? That is former Kakamega Senator Cleophas Malala. The script is named Echoes of War. We are waiting to see what will the president say. What will be the take? Why are there police there who are trying to stop the play from happening? What do you think, guys? Leave a comment on the comment section. Like, share to our videos, and don't forget to subscribe. This is FM Show. Okay.